So I love accounting, which I can tell you back in the early days of my career, I probably would not have said. Like many students, when I was taking intermediate one and intermediate two, I'm going, what am I doing? Why am I in these classes? This stuff is horrible, right? I actually thought about changing my degree to finance and then realized I was too far along in my program to change. And so I was like, well, I'm just going to stick it out. And then I found tax. I took a tax class in college and I loved it. And I was like, okay, this I can do. And so I started my career in taxation, and I did love taxation as a career. As I got further along, I started kind of getting bored with the compliance and really wanted to be more of that consultant or advisor to a client. But I do think accounting is just, again, it's the language of business. So we should love it or appreciate it at least. It is, if you can understand accounting, you can understand the relationships between the accounts and what that information is telling us about how well the business is performing. And then with that, we can make business decisions, right? So we can look at an unprofitable client and say, well, should we get rid of them? Yeah, probably, right? Or if we look at our profitable clients, well, why are they so profitable and how do we do more of that, right? So the financial statements give us all of that information. And I didn't really appreciate that in my early career the way that I appreciate it today.